Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated Apple Watch X 2024 and everything you need to know about it. Apple's September event has always been a spectacle, traditionally featuring the latest iPhone and Apple Watch models. This year, however, is particularly exciting as it marks the 10th anniversary of the original Apple Watch's announcement. To commemorate this milestone, Apple is rumored to unveil the revolutionary Apple Watch X. Rumors and leaks suggest that the Apple Watch X could introduce a major redesign. Unlike its predecessors, this model might showcase a sleeker profile and a novel magnetic band attachment system. This redesign aims to enhance the overall user experience with improved aesthetics and functionality. The Apple Watch series has continually evolved in terms of screen size. The latest reports from Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo hint at even larger displays for the upcoming models. We might see screen sizes expand from 41mm to 45mm and from 45mm to 49mm. The design is expected to be sleeker, transitioning from its initial fashion-focused appeal to a more health-centric device. This redesign could include a new MicroLED display, which promises better brightness and energy efficiency compared to the current OLED screens. The Apple Watch Ultra 3 might maintain a similar design to its predecessor, but could introduce new color options. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 boasts an impressive battery life of up to 36 hours on a single charge, with a new low-power mode extending it to 72 hours. The Ultra 3 is expected to maintain similar battery performance, with fast charging capabilities allowing 80% charge in about an hour. These features ensure that the watch remains practical for daily use. Pricing details are yet to be confirmed, but it may retain the starting price of $799 as seen with previous models. As we await more official announcements, these upcoming models promise to bring significant advancements in design, health tracking, and user experience. Stay tuned to our channel for the latest updates and in-depth reviews. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech news and insights. Until next time, take care.